I'm a sculptress in wood, so I wanted to thank the earth, what the earth gave me, that is wood. I never cut a tree, I just harvest them, fallen trees, I pick them up. When I came here, I saw the devastation of the land and the water, so I started to recover water through control lines and to solidify the water veins that I started to walk all these hectares with Joel, who is a local and is my neighbor. He has lived here for all his life and he knew how it was, so we started to do it, and when after 4 years that we knew that the veins were stable, we start to dig all the lake, and we dig 2 lakes also, and now they are beautiful. The camp is Pachakuti because Pachakuti was an Inca that almost is a god in the ancient days, and his very knowledge as arts, literature, everything was blossomed with during his time.
The Pachakuti camp is situated at 900 meters of altitude in the mountain jungle of Peru. The villagers here grow papaya, bananas, pineapple, cacao, and corn. Many villagers use monoculture here to grow their crop. They also use a lot of pesticides to control diseases induced by monoculture.
We would like to introduce permaculture in this project, just to make villagers know a different way to make agriculture. The ultimate success of this project would be increasing the yield of the crops. We are happy to be part of this Pachakuti camp in the ecosystem restoration movement to create a new economic agribusiness model here in this region and to make it work in a sustainable way.
I'm Margarita from Peru.
I'm Serge from Canada.
No, no lo habías grabado.
No. Ahora sí estoy grabando.
I'm Victoria from Peru.